Good evening, ma'am.
A very good evening.
Ma'am, so today we're going to discuss about why some objects float and sink in the water. So let us do an activity. So let's put a nail inside a beaker, water beaker, and then we'll notice that it sinks down. This is because the force of attraction, gravitational attraction of the earth acts on the nail and pulls it downwards. And although the water is applying an upwards force which pushing it upwards, but this force is weaker than the weight of the nail, so it sinks to the bottom. Now let's put a cork on the water. The reason the nail sinks and the cork floats. This is because of the
What is the code?
cork is like in old-fashioned wine bottles. They used to do it, plug it in bottles to close them. So this happens because of the difference in their densities. See, the cork is floats on the water because its density is lighter than water. So the buoyant force pushes it upwards, so it floats. The density of the iron nail is more than the density of the water, so that's why it sinks. From this we can observe that if the density of an object is greater than the density of the liquid, it sinks in the liquid, and if it's lesser than a liquid, then it floats on the liquid. This is basically a part of buoyancy. Buoyancy has a role to play in this, but objects like ships and all float in water because of extra force applied to them through their propellers. So that's why they always float. There are some exceptions.